Hi everyone, welcome back to my KoBoToolbox training series. If you want to create high quality error-free surveys, you are in the right place. If you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button for more videos on KoBoToolbox, data management and data analysis. We have already deployed the form language test form. Here if you see the status, it's deployed. The owner is me. I am logged in. Here you should say I am the owner of this form, and this is in draft mode. I didn't deploy yet this one, and now I came to click on this one, this form, and here it's deploy. If you see here, deploy, and if I come here, and here is a redeploy, and here is some option. In this video, I'll show you how to enter data using Enketo web form and KoBoToolbox. This is a quick and easy way to collect responses online even without installing an app for the survey data entry. You don't need in this case to install any software. You can use the browser, web browser. What is Enketo? Enketo is a web-based form system used by KoBoToolbox. It's allow you to fill out the survey in your browser on computer, tablet, or smartphone, or like this other devices. You do not need to install anything or any software, and it works both online and offline depending on your setting. If you want to set to enter the data offline, you can do it offline, and if you want to enter the data online, you can do it online as well. Here is the option. Like you have a lot of option. Here is around 7 option. Here offline, online, offline, multiple submission. Whenever you click any option, and here it shows the description of that one. This option is the best for the data collection, work with or without internet, allow many responses. And the second option, we are coming to this one, online only, multiple option. This is the best option when entering many records at once, a computer transcribing paper record, or this option require constant internet, allow unlimited responses from multiple user. And came to the third option. The third option is online only, single option. The third option is single option. It's required the internet only. One submission is allowed per devices or browser. You can copy the link and send it to someone only from that device. Only one submission is allowed. Then the second submission is not allowed, and we can use it for in some cases like this one. And online one per respondent. This allow your web form to only submit to once per user, using the basic protection to prevent the same user on the same browser and device from submitting more than one. For submitting more than one, or it's limited to one response per person, using the browser tracking, not only fully secure. It's not only fully secure. Embedded, that's important. Like this one, use this HTML code snippet to integrate it to your form, your own website using the smaller margin. Or generate this option, generate the HTML code. Like this is the HTML code. Generate the HTML code to embed the form on the website for easy public access. You can do it like you can copy this code and embed this form in your website, your own website. The respondent came, or the data collector or came to enter data in your website through this link or through this embedded code. And the other option, view only. Use this version. Testing, getting the feedback does not allow submitting. In this view case, you can only open the survey form as a read-only version for the review demonstration purpose. No submission is allowed for this section. And the last one here is Android applications. Install the Kobo Collect on your Android devices. These are the settings. You can put your setting and user and password and download the form and start the data entry from the mobile device. For this Android application, you can use the Kobo Collect or ODK Collect app on Android for offline data collection with advanced device integration. You can do it like you can use this service UTO, and you can use the other tools designed a lot of open source or non-open source tools designed for data entry. You can use it that one, but the best one here is like the ODK Collect is the first one because it's updated automatically, and it's the Kobo Collect is the update appear later. And I'm using in this training the Kobo Collect and the ODK Collect. I will explain this after the completion of these KoBoToolbox and Enketo form data entry and download the data and report or summary. Now I want to test the entry in this form. I will select the first option, online and offline multiple submission here. This option allows enumerators or data collector to fill out the survey form even without an internet connection. If internet is available or it's not available, they can enter the data in the form. When we share the survey link with someone, they can easily access and use it. Like whenever we are sharing this link by copying or opening here and then copy again and send it to someone, they can easily use it. The form is open in the browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, or other browser. You can use a different kind of browser. It's not browser specific. It's automatically saved in the browser memory. Whenever you enter the data, it's automatically saved in the browser memory. If the internet connection is lost, they can still continue the filling out of the form. Once they are back online, the form can be submitted to the KoBoToolbox server. Like if you don't have internet, and you can still enter the data whenever the internet comes back, you can submit it to the server, or it's automatically submitted to the KoBoToolbox server. Many organizations spend a lot of money on development of the custom survey form online. However, they are often unaware of the KoBoToolbox offering this feature completely free. It's like KoBoToolbox is free. Here's the options. Like we have it, the options allows the submission to this form without username and password. If it's not checked and copy the link, it will ask came to the new sheet. It will ask for the username and password. Whenever you enter some data, like I will type Zaki and age 12 and male and submit. It's asking for the login credential. If you want to send the form for those people who don't have an account in KoBoToolbox, then check this option or on this option. This setting allows anyone to submit a form even if they don't have a KoBoToolbox account. You can simply share the public link to your form, and everyone has this form. They can easily enter the data, or anyone with the link can open the and submit their responses. No login is required. Here, this option is very important. Like you can use it for public survey or for the option of public data or public survey. You can use it, but it's not recommended for the collecting of private, classified or sensitive information. You should not on this one whenever the information you are collecting, the information it is classified or private or sensitive information, you should have this information, and the user or the credential, the login credential is required. Now I check this options and I will publicly share the link. I'll copy this one or open it here in the new sheet. Whenever I copy, I can send it to anyone. Come here, I will type like Zaki here, and age is 12 and male, and submit. Is submitted. Like here, if you see, is submitted. This form is submitted. If I come here, like I type like Sahar, and the age is 5 and female, and whenever I click the submit, is submit, automatically submitted to the server. You can change the language here for this form. If the person is the enumerator or data collector is Pashto speaker, and then they select the Pashto, or if the respondent want to answer in Pashto, you can use the Pashto form. If they wanna answer the question in Dari, and you can choose the Dari if the English is default. You can enter several record here. Like I will type like Shah, and tap come to the age is 44 and male, and then come to the submit, and it's saved. Like now it's saved, it's submitted. Like come to another Abdul Hadi and scam in 16, and then tap mail, and come here and save it as draft. Okay, let's save it as draft. If you see here, you have one record here, and this memory in the queue you have this record here. Then finally you can upload it, or whenever you complete all the data, then come here and select upload all from here. Whenever you have a lot of record, or if you wanna edit it later, then you can add it here and then submit. And I come again, I will type like another forum, Niaz Muhammad, age is 25, male, save draft, save and close, and this form is draft. And I'll type another one like Ibrahim, and then come, it's 19 years old, it's male, and save and close. Okay, and now we have two form here as a draft. We can edit it. Whenever you select it, you can edit it here, and whenever you select here, you can edit it this form as well. And these are the ways you can, like, click export, you can export it to zip or file, and you can do it export from here. If you select this one and submit it, you can do it like this one from queue, edit it, and then submit it, and all the record is submitted. And come back to the form, and here the KoBoToolbox server and data, you can see here all the record is here. If you see, the record is here, all the record is coming here. This is your data. It's very easy, it's very useful. You can enter the data here, and you can see your data on the spot. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comments, and share it with anyone who might benefit. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave a comments below in the comment section. I love hearing from you. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.